What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this video I want to talk to you about the Earn As You Learn model, which is available inside the Wealthy Affiliate Program. And what this model does is it allows any member of the program to basically start earning money by participating in the community within Wealthy Affiliate and helping that pay for their membership while they learn to build an online business, which is what the Wealthy Affiliate Program ultimately teaches you to do. Now, in my particular case, I've earned $28.12 in this month by just simply participating in the community, asking questions, sharing information, answering questions as well, and just offering good quality content. And this is open to any member of the program. And I'll leave a link below this video where you can also create your starter account in the Wealthy Affiliate Program and get started with this model. But more importantly, on top of that, getting started with building an online business, which again, the program ultimately teaches you how to make. Now, before I share that with you, let me just overall talk about Wealthy Affiliate and myself in case you're new to the channel and the program. Now, Wealthy Affiliate is basically a program that teaches people how to build online businesses, profitable websites, how to run ads, social media marketing, all that sort of stuff. And I'm one of their most successful members and one of their longest running members. I've been in this program since 2005. Here are some of my stats in this business. Here are some other ones. And these come from websites and online businesses that I've built thanks to the training that this program provides in these spheres that I mentioned. Now, this particular year, they basically created, or rather they updated their entire platform, their training, their software, their community benefits, and they added the Earn As You Learn model on top of all of this. And the Earn As You Learn model is very simply put, the act of you participating as a member in Wealthy Affiliate. You can basically participate in live chat, you can answer people's questions, you can like people's comments. What happens is you are awarded points for all of these activities that you do inside the program. And these points, like what you see over here, are converted into cash value that you can see over here. And obviously, the more that you participate in the program and do those things that I just mentioned, the more potential money you can earn as a member. So while you learn to build an online business, which is ultimately the goal of the Wealthy Affiliate Program and what you should do if you're interested in building an online business, you can literally start earning to subsidize your membership in the program. Now, I do also want to mention that there are two memberships in the Wealthy Affiliate Program. You have your starter membership, which people can test drive. I'll leave a link below the video so you can test that out, where you can also participate in this model. But then there's an upgraded membership known as the Premium Plus membership that's $99 a month. And ultimately, the Earn As You Learn model will help you subsidize that membership cost while you're learning to build an online business. So before I finish this video, let me just quickly share with you how easy it is to participate in this. So let's say I visit one of these blog posts that one of the members have made. There are over 2.5 million members. I actually think it's getting closer to 3 million. And what you'll notice is my points are 8,804. And by simply liking this comment, you'll notice that my points went up by 2 to 8,806. And then if I also, go down here and I answer people's questions or I ask a question as well, this is also going to provide me with points, which ultimately adds to the earnings that you can receive through the Earn As You Learn model. Now, that basically summarizes the whole thing. I highly recommend that you check out the platform and this model as well. Again, the link is below this video. You can create a starter account to test the waters with this stuff, to get your feet wet with the business. They give you a course that you can get started with, as well as a website. It really is awesome. The Earn As You Learn model is an amazing new add-on to the Wealthy Affiliate Program, and I highly recommend that you check that out. If you have any questions about this, let me know, but as usual, I'll see you all in the next video. Take care, everyone.